Hello everyone, I hope you're doing okay. In this lesson, we will learn to make a live loop track using GarageBand for iOS. Feel free to pause and rewind this video as many times as you need to understand the instructions perfectly. If you have any questions, please send me an email. When you are done with your project, you will upload it to the Live Loops assignment in your Music Google Classroom. Ready? Here we go! The first thing you need is an iPad. If you don't have one, you can also use an iPhone. Please ask your parents for permission before using any devices. Then, you need to make sure that GarageBand is installed on your device. Remember, this is a free app that comes pre-installed with your iPad. If you don't have it installed, please ask your parents to help you log in to the App Store and download it. Also, you need to make sure you have updated it to the current version. Once you have your device and app installed, please open it. It will take you to the main screen. In the upper right corner, you will find a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new project. Once your new project is created, see that in the upper middle section of your screen there are two main options: Live Loops and Tracks. Please go to Tracks and scroll left or right until you get to Sound Library. Open the Sound Library and please make sure that you have everything installed. Don't worry, all of these sounds are for free, so you can just tap on them and install them. Once you have them all installed, this can take a while, tap on OK and then go to Live Loops. Now let me tell you a little bit about Live Loops. As you can see, there is a huge amount of different live loops. Each and every one of them contains a series of pre-recorded sounds that, when played together, allows us to create a musical piece of our own. Today, we will use the live loop named Neon Dreams. Find it on your Live Loops library and tap on it. Every blue square that you see represents a different sound. On the left side of the screen, you can see different instrument icons. Each one corresponds to a different instrument. Let's hear some examples of the different sounds and instruments included in this live loop. Please note that once you tap on any sound, it will begin running clockwise. When it finishes cycle, it will loop again. Thus the name Live Loops. So you can combine these sounds so that everyone is reproduced at the same time. You can do this by combining routes randomly like this. Or you can just press the arrows on the lower part of the screen to activate a whole column at the same time. You can combine the sounds any way you want. Now, For this week's activity, you have to record a track that lasts around a minute. Combine as many sounds as you want. To record your track, press on the red button that is located on the middle upper part of your screen. To stop recording, just press the stop button left from the record button. Like this. Once you're done, go to the main screen and rename your file with your name and class. To do so, tap on the file until the menu appears and then select Rename. Attach this file to your Google Classroom assignment as a song file. To do so, again, tap and hold on your file, select Share, select Song, then Share again, and find the Google Classroom app on the upper menu. If it doesn't appear, you either have to install it or search it when it says plus. Select it. Wait until the app exports your song. Follow the rest of the instructions in Google Classroom and you're done. Thanks a lot. See you soon.